Abategesi b'emizannyo gy'amasomero ga secondary basanyufu n'engeri ebintu gye bitambulamu nga batubulide nti tebanafuna buzibu bwonna. Bano era batubulide engeri gye basuza abazannyi.
Bukedia Comprehensive School is mainly hosting the girls, while Amus College School is hosting the boys. But they all both have facilities. There are very good facilities in Amus. Competition is progressing on well. So far we haven't got any problem related to competition. All teams are well motivated, kids are well motivated.
Mu mupiira gw'emikono oba handball, Gombe SS ekubye Mbogo High mu luzanyo olunyumidde abalabi.
This game has not been easy because this is the very team we played with during nationals in Sorota Loyet. They gave us during semis and they came for this game knowing that they're going to give us, and because we're united and cooperative to each other, so we're able to give them by one.
Omutendesi wa Mbogo High Isma bazanye atubulidde nti tiimu ye teyakozeseza mikisa gyayo.
So it has ended actually in favor of Gombe by one, but it has been that we have not utilized our chances. My girls have not utilized the opportunity to put the ball at back of the net, but I hope we have to work on the mistakes that they have presented so that we make more corrections on our